Remember we imported 2 transcripts, okay? I have opened the files. The first file, I went to files, double click on the file, you open the file, okay? Then I want to go to the codes because we are going to bring all the codes here. And then I want to collapse. You can see a menu facing my left. I click there to provide a better working space, okay? So let's look at this. Great, okay, so many questions are going to focus on parental engagement, as you know. The first set are quite general, and then we'll narrow in on the COVID impact later. People use the term parental engagement in lots of different ways. This is one of the questions, structured questions that this guy is asking. This is this question, okay? So this interview, we had structured question. They wanted to find out specific issues or themes, and that's why we are using deductive thematic analysis. So let's go back to the question. People use the term parental engagement in lots of different ways. In your experience, what does it mean in school when people talk about parental engagement? Let's see what this guy says. For me, it means the partnership between school and parents. So I want to code these two. So let me type that. You can voice type also. Partnership between school and parents. That's my first code. See what happens to my code. After I make the code, I don't leave it lying out there. No, I will grab the code, click on it, drag and drop it into theme 1 so that that code is under theme 1. The meaning of parental engagement to teachers. Remember the description, or that theme relates to question number 1, subjective meaning of parental engagement according to individual teachers. I want to right click and I want to go to aggregate coding from children so that you are not left with 0, okay? So partnership between school and parents is one of the meaning of parental engagement according to one of the interviewed teachers. So not just with the academic side of things, but with all the personal, social, and health. Creating a community, if you like, so the school is the heart of the community. So establishing a community between school and parents, or let me code that as establishment of a community with the school being at the heart of the community. Now look at this code I just made. It's like a sentence. So codes can be short, they can be long as they are accurate. Make sure your codes are accurate. I can always come back and edit the codes, refine them, make them shorter, okay? So let's move to the next question, which will relate now to theme number 2. Most effective forms of parental engagement. So let's hear the question. Great. And in your view, what types of parental engagement are most effective? As you've alluded to,